Tri-Valley High School had never been a baseball town. Kids growing up in the school district dreamed about winning a football, track, or basketball championship. Never a baseball championship. This is a story of 5 baseball players who changed that mentality at Tri-Valley, who eventually became known as the Fab Five, but we just started out as Joe, George, Tyler, Steve, and Greg. During the spring of my sophomore year, I, along with 4 other sophomore baseball players, were approached about moving up to start on the varsity baseball team. This was unheard of in my town. Most years, no one moved up to the varsity level as an underclassman. The coach explained to us that we were the future of the program, and that he thought we could lead a team to a state championship in years to come. The 5 of us had played together for many years, and we were excited for the challenge, but we didn't realize the pressure that would come along with it. During the beginning of our sophomore year, we had to work very hard to earn the respect of the seniors, as most of them knew we were moving up to take their positions. With our hard work, we were able to prove ourselves, and the team really came together nicely, with the seniors mentoring us. We certainly had our struggles early on in the season as a team, with 5 of our 9 starters playing varsity baseball for the first time. But by the end of the year, we were really coming into form, ready to make a playoff run. By this point in the season, the sophomore class was playing well, and had dubbed the nickname by our teammates and fans, the Fab Five. Unfortunately for us, we lost in the first round of the conference playoffs to the eventual state champions. The Fab Five sat together in the dugout after the last out as many of the seniors talked to us and told us that we truly had the ability to do something special for the Tri-Valley program. The 5 of us vowed that we would never lose a conference championship game again. During our junior year, the Fab Five came back ready to win a championship. We led the team throughout the regular season all the way to the conference championship, where we played a senior-laden SS Seward team that had expectations of competing for a state title. We were massive underdogs entering the game, but took a 7-run lead into the final inning. We ended up blowing that lead, with major mistakes from 3 of the Fab Five, and lost the game 8-7. As we entered our senior season, the Fab Five had one thing on our mind: the unfinished business from the year before. We finished the regular season with an 18-4 record, ranked 3rd in New York State, but we knew that without a conference championship, our season would be nothing. We went on to win that conference championship by a score of 2-1 over SS Seward, the same opponent as the prior year. George pitched a 1-run, 7-inning performance, while Joe scored the game-winning run. The 5 of us could stand on the field that day, holding the conference championship flag, something that had not been done at Tri-Valley in 22 years. Unfortunately, we lost in the first round of the state playoffs to the eventual state runner-up, but we were able to accomplish our goal of improving the program. Last year, the team was able to return to the conference championship, and the team this year looks very promising. The run the Fab Five made was something that Tri-Valley will highlight for years to come, and I am proud to say I was a part of that.